I really care about you guys a lot. And I always try to help you to better understand the English language. Two very simple words, care and help. But do you know if you add suffixes to them, you can completely change them? Care means to pay attention to something or someone. What about if we add a suffix to it and turn it into a negative meaning? Stick with me, subscribe, comment, like. Tell me what you care about. Tell me what you don't care about. I'm going to teach you guys a lot of words with suffixes. People, it's on. Learn how to use suffixes. You see, a suffix can change the whole meaning of a word. Our first word is caregiver. Someone who provides care or support, especially for the elderly or infirm. You see, the suffix er denotes a person who performs a specified action or is associated with a particular thing. So a caregiver is someone who actively cares for others, often in a professional capacity. Hey, be careful. Don't go anywhere. Careful. Exercising caution or attention. Cautious. You see, adding full to care, not with two L's, but with one L, turns it into an adjective, indicating the quality of being cautious or attentive. People use careful to advise others to proceed with caution or to describe someone who pays close attention to details. Like, I'm very careful when I teach. Carelessness. Lack of care, attention, negligence. A person who's just, who cares? You see, with the suffix ness, careless becomes a noun, denoting the quality or state of being without care or attention. You might use carelessness to describe someone's negligent behavior or to caution against being inattentive. Caregiving. Does this mean someone who cares a lot? The act of providing care or support, especially as a profession. Yes, caregiver or caregiving. By adding ing to care, it becomes a gerund, indicating the action or the process of caring for others. Caregiving refers to the ongoing provision of care. Now, it's often used in the context of healthcare or personal assistance. The next one kind of describes me. Carefree. It doesn't mean you're free from care. It means you're free from worry or responsibility. Lighthearted. You see, the suffix free added to care creates an adjective, conveying the absence of concern or anxiety. People use carefree to describe a relaxed, easygoing attitude or lifestyle. That's me. How about this one? You ready? Careworn? You're wearing care? No. Showing signs of worry or fatigue, especially in the face. You look so careworn. What's up? You see, with the suffix worn, care takes on an adjective, from indicating the physical or emotional toll of prolonged stress or concern. See, carewear describes someone who appears worn down, worried, or just tired of being responsible for everything. Caretaker. Someone who takes responsibility for care and maintenance of something or someone. Yes, you see, the suffix er, again, we talked about this, denotes a person who performs a specified action associated with a particular thing. So the caretaker is someone entrusted with care and supervision of a person, property, or organization. Do you know any caretakers? I don't. I moved, huh? Are you guys ready now? We're going to learn how suffixes affect the word help. Let's start with helpless. Terrible word. Unable to help oneself, lacking the ability or the power to act independently. The suffix less added to help transforms the word into an adjective, conveying a state of being without aid or assistance. In conversation, you might hear someone say, I felt so helpless when I couldn't find my phone, describing a situation where they felt unable to resolve a problem on their own. The opposite of that could be helpful, being able to assist or being of assistance, providing aid or support. When you add full, F-U-L, to help, it turns it into an adjective, indicating that someone or something is inclined to offer assistance or support. These glasses are very helpful. In spoken English, you could hear someone say, thanks for your helpful advice. You're expressing gratitude for someone's support, input, or guidance. I like this one. It's pretty cool. Helpmate. A companion or partner who provides assistance or support. Again, the suffix mate added to help creates a noun, which means a person who aids or collaborates with another. In spoken English, you might hear someone say, she's been my helpmate through thick and thin, emphasizing the supportive role of a close companion. This one's pretty easy, but it's going to help you. What is the word? Helping. Yes, the act of providing assistance or support. With the suffix ing, help becomes a gerund, indicating the action or process of providing aid. You could definitely hear someone in America say, she's always offering a helping hand, hindsighting someone's consistent readiness to assist others. It's pretty cool, right? Now, helpfulness. It's the quality or state of being useful and supportive. Yes, you see, when you add ness to helpful, it becomes a noun. And it's stating the quality of providing aid or support. You could hear someone commend, praise another person's helpfulness when they constantly offer help, contribute positively to a situation, and they're always there for you. There's someone you can lean on. Pretty cool, right? I'm telling you, suffixes are fantastic, and I don't know why more people don't talk about them. Helper. Yes, a helper. Someone who assists or aids others. With the suffix er, it denotes a person who performs a specified action or is associated with a particular thing. So a helper is someone actively engaged in helping or lending a hand or providing support. You can definitely in America hear someone say, hey, can you be my helper and hold this for a second? See that? You're going to be my helper if you hold this. Simple enough, isn't it? Suffixes are fantastic, and they make you sound really natural when you're speaking English and you're using them. Guys, I figure I would say bye from the studio. Let's start with Mitra. Mitra, do you have anything to say?
Bye.
Emre?
Bye.
Khan?
Absolutely no.
Okay, this is the studio, and actually, this is where we're shooting for our application. Yes, an English teaching application that's going to blow your doors off. I'm going to be in the app teaching myself. The whole app is going to have me teaching you guys. You see this person here? He's very rude because he's talking while I'm trying to record. Khan!
What?
Why are you talking when I'm recording? Yes, we're working on the app. Yes. Guys, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. And tell us if you like Khan or not. Bye.